Check this out, guys. I am super stoked on this propane torch that was gifted to me. This thing is super sweet. You can see how the propane bottle attaches here and unscrews. I'll give you a close-up here. We're gonna torch some weeds. So this is just your standard green bottle of propane. Put it on there like that and give it a twist, lock it into place. And then right here, this is our igniter switch, and you can see right there where our igniter is. And then this is where we adjust our flame. So super, super easy to use, to figure out for like a one-time use kind of person using it for the first time. So you want to make sure your dial is not all the way up. So we're just going to turn it a little bit to get some fuel coming out. And then I'm going to hit my igniter. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and adjust it up to full power so you guys can see it. So that is full strength right now, so it really gets going. But let's go ahead and burn some of this grass for fun. All right, there we go. That's a fun way to get rid of some weeds. So I mean, this thing's good for all kinds of uses, whether you want to start a campfire, barbecue, use it for culinary purposes, or if you just want to take it out to the yard and burn some weeds. So definitely go check one of these out. It's a lot of fun.